Yes, I can.
Yeah,
Assalamualaikum. Hello.
alaikum assalam. Very good, very good. Thank you. Very happy to see all you. But unfortunately, I can't see your beautiful faces. Hopefully, I will see. Okay, good. Now, let me go to my presentation. I have to first share the screen. Then, it is. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, my previous student, her name is Leila. She's also Kent for my art student. She proposed for me, and I don't know what does it mean here. I can't read it. Can you please read it for me?
So can I read in Uzbek or in English?
In English.
In English. Okay. So it said from curiosity to research.
Oh yeah. Okay, good. I know. I trust her. She's a very polite girl. I thought, okay, good. Not okay. Very good. Very exactly same meaning. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Leila, to provide it for me. Okay, now we are going, yeah, from curiosity to research engineering. About your questions, we are going to design it how the engineer should cover the questions once they are going to do some research or something like this. Yep. Why question matter? Every discovery start with a question. I told you why, how, and important case is how we can modify it, how we can improve it. You know, that one is why it is here. If I put it, for example, the place of the kitchen, why we don't put it in the center of a building? If we put the kitchen in the center of building, one advantage is once the mom is cooking, also the house can be warm because of cooking. You see, they are the something we are going to talk about it. Why? Yeah, for something. And another case, maybe a person gonna tell me, yeah, because of smell of food. The smell of food sometimes is not really decent for the people. We have a lot of why and discussion to do some changes. About the engineering curiosity, the curiosity drives innovation. I remember you told me about the case of innovation. Yeah, that's very important case. We are going to talk about that part. They are very important. We go for the renewable energies, for example, nowadays we will see. Hopefully today the weather of Tashkent is perfect and amazing. You imagine in the world people not using fossil fuel or less use fossil fuel. So technically, just using the something like the renewable energy and the energies from the nature. Yeah, we will see that everything fantastic, clean, green. So these items need innovation, innovation and design. Who wanna do that? Definitely engineers. Yeah, the power of good question, strong question, career path to discovery. Sometimes you hear a question, very easy question, but really strong question, really change the path of your way. Might be you gonna do the something differently. Maybe can be the something like the call it the really important point in your life. It's really important item. There's strong questions. We should go for it, and we should have really answer for that type of questions. Now about the you know that now it is your brainstorm. Brainstorm, it means the something just pop into your mind, and you gonna do not like really you want to express it. Yeah, you are going to categorize it. Okay, write three things your curiosity about it in engineering. Okay, now please one by one, tell me about the three things about the curiosity in engineering. Okay, tell me please.
So,
Like wanna,
mhm,
you can say, bro.
Okay, so
uh,
definitely ladies first. Excuse me. Okay, ladies first.
Oh, really sorry. And I want to say that I want to build a motorsport car in Uzbekistan on my own, like that. It, it's my curiosity.
Okay, it is one of them. Second,
Second one. Let me think after saying
no
his.
problem. Okay, next one, kindly.
okay. So, can I talk?
Why not? You are
Okay.
really patient and really gentleman. Why not?
Alright, okay. So, it's something that's related to my curiosities. Actually, um, knowing about the future of AI, it's something that I'm really patient about
Mm.
to understand how it will be in the future.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Okay, more, please, more.
Good evening. I also
Good
want
evening.
to say, first of all, it's crucial in engineering, I think, and also it's a fuel of
Mm.
findings, and also uh, it is also the first step in research, in my opinion.
Oh, amazing. Very good, very good, really good. Okay, some more, please,
And I also want to say that the slide is
please.
showing the first slide. Your screen is showing the first slide.
Oh, not moving.
Yes.
Oh, again, same story. To all of you or one of you?
Well, to me, yes.
Yeah, how about the rest?
Yes, yes, it's in the first page.
Come on,
Yes, for
wow.
me also.
Ah, again. Ah, okay, how about now?
It's moving now.
Now it's good.
Now it's moving. How about that one?
Well, it's turned off right now.
Okay,
It
just
appeared.
wait.
Your screen's appeared.
Okay. How about that one?
It's the same, not showing anything.
Oh, what a pity. Wow, really. And how about now?
Yes, you can see it right now.
And let me. Is that moving?
Not yet.
It disappeared again.
How about now?
Not showing anything.
Oh, good news. Don't know what happened. Don't know really. Share screen is on, and share the screen. That's nice. It should be. How about now? Okay.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. Good. How about now? Okay. Moving.
Yes, moving.
Yes.
Okay. Engineering curiosity. Strong question, I told you. Okay. About the brainstorm. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Good news. Thank you. Please remind me if sometimes the internet getting crazy. I don't know really how to deal with that. I think really sometimes that's a problem of not in the internet because we are using you see, why the Google, we are going to share the Microsoft, and that's a conflict. Yeah, it's sometimes happen. Okay, now that one. Anyone else want to add something more?
I want to create something in education, but I don't know what exactly it is.
Go ahead.
Uh, yes, this is.
Okay, go ahead, please say.
I
Okay.
say. Uh,
Mhm. Okay, let me bring you something much be easier. For example, for a kitchen, for a kitchen, your sometimes your mother and perhaps you are going to do something creative item, baking, cooking, something like that. What type of creative engineering you can do, but you are not able. You see, sometimes this is something in your mind, but implementation of it, you unsure about that. You got that, okay, do it or no, okay, something like that. Do you have something like this?
Well, I actually have.
yes.
Yeah. Rabia, you can talk.
Just the ladies should solve the problem together. Really, I don't have any idea.
You can talk, Rabia.
Okay, thanks. Uh, Sometimes my mom cuts her hand with knife, and I want to change this,
Mm,
not to being I don't know, for not
okay,
cutting.
very good. Any solution?
For solution, I have to think. We have problem, but not a solution.
Oh, yeah, very good. You see, it is very good. You find a problem. Now you should go for the solution. Nice, very good, very good. At least you get a problem. This is the really, I think, the sad things in our life is habit. We get we get used to it. We get used to it. Why? It is our habit to do that. Why? We can change it. We can make it easier. You see, that's a key of progress. Okay, next one, please. Anything else you, for example, in your bathroom or somewhere else, in your yard, in anywhere else, you want to do some engineering job on it. Boys, boys. Hello, the boys. Boys, hello.
I'm here, but I was in the bus, so I can't reply.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, good. Now, thank you very much. You see, you have a lot of things in your brain to modify something in engineering job. Now we are going to the next one. We have something weak versus to strong question. Okay, this is a really a person. The mother said the temperature inside our oven is not really increase, sometimes increase and sometimes decrease or something like this. Then you can say that the robots, okay, good. What does it mean? The robots, what can do for you? Okay, good. So it is really weak. You're gonna say that. That's better to explain the people. For example, you should explain them how does sensor placement affect obstacles detection in small robots. You see, about something like this, we need something like this. We need something really comprehensive. We don't have something just one single vocab. We use it, then we are looking for okay, the miracle. No, we are looking for something comprehensively. Yep, uh, refinement. Refinement matters. What does it mean? Yeah, it means the question you have would be meaningful and also the tastable or tasteful. You see, that's very important. There's something you are going to do that it means testable. Really, it's very important. For example, you think about you with yourself and you want to tell someone, yeah, I want to really, for example, bring the something from the sun to home. What do you mean by sun? It means what? It means the star, the biggest star in the world. No, it is not applicable and it's not meaningful and really it's not testable. Please, thinking logically, put your legs on the earth, please. Do not think like this. Yeah, they're very, very important. Okay, another. Yeah, we have something. Nowadays, we heard about some. Let me tell you, I heard when I was at university, a person, I think his thesis presentation, we had at university a competition called a 3 minutes thesis presentation or 3MT. This is really invented by Australian government, implemented and run it in all around the world. And in most English language countries, they are going to do this competition. I remember I really participated and won a good prize there. One of the really fantastic and really funny thesis I heard, a person wanted to make the body of aircraft by cement. Very funny for me, really funny, and really nasty. Also, really waste money and waste time of people to do that. To me, it would be really weak. And the strong can be we have something there as a conventional materials the people are using, how we can modify it, because we shouldn't take risk as well. You see here, I told you can be testable and can be meaningful. They are very important items. Now, I expect you to compare something weak and strong.
You mean some idea which is weak and strong?
Yeah, yeah. First, like the childish, it means can be the raw idea. Then you develop it to the strong.
Mm. Well, If I got you correct, then in my university there was some project that students uh, should have present their own projects. They needed to create their projects. So there we had some ideas like building shoes, building shoes that can fly and that can make people walk on the surface of the water. Well, this idea was kind of childish because the girl who the student who presented this idea not was not didn't know how does it even work, and she even didn't get interested on it. She just presented it and she said it will work no matter of how it works.
Okay, now make it stronger. Make her opinion stronger and really something applicable.
Mm. Well, I didn't research on this theme on this topic, but in my opinion, if there is actually the project, the how can I say invention
Mm,
of the shoe that can walk on the surface of the can't actually walk, but can swim on the surface of the water and can also fly. If we could somehow read the papers and also if we could somehow make a research on this topic and somehow collaborate with people, I think we could make this idea more applicable and uh, realistic.
yeah, let me add something to you. Yeah, for example, for that part, in Australia, it was one of the problem is the shark attack to the people. For example, you have a shoes, and these shoes, because of some electricity or something like that, can be really try to really try to not they really try to really defeat the sharks and not attract the sharks to the body of human. Might be some ideas like that. You see, we have something like this really much better. Okay, what's the benefit people really walk on the surface of water? Okay, what the reason? Yeah, really, I did really. Okay, very nice, very nice opinion. Okay, next one, please.
So I have a really kind of silly example as well. So uh, it was the actually geography lesson,
Oh,
and we were talking about what global warming, and one of my friend actually maybe by because of joke or I don't know, maybe it's really hard to take as a serious, but he said what to mend, the ozone layer
yeah, yeah,
is actually decaying. So
yeah.
he said that maybe we can mend that by kind of the screen protector we use for our phones.
Oh,
Uh,
nice. Very good
yeah,
size.
it was so silly, but uh, and I guess it's the weak
Yeah,
kind of
yeah,
opinion, but if I guess maybe there are a lot of options which we take or consider it as somehow serious, like what reducing deforestation or maybe what using electrical vehicles
yeah, yeah,
could actually reduce the carbon dioxide,
yeah, yeah,
then
exactly.
we can fix it.
Yeah, really, you made it stronger compare. I think about the size of this, I don't know, the hole. is really big. Might be the size is bigger than, I'm not sure, the size of uh, uh, maybe the like the size of European continent, I think. And how the person want to cover it, I think it's very tough. Yeah, to me it's very difficult about the size of really screen protector. Okay, very nice. Okay, thank you so much. Next one, please. Okay, one more. Okay, no more. Okay. Yeah, research is a journey. You see, when you are doing the research, it means you are going to travel. You should prepare yourself with a area, with some continent, perhaps with the weather or weather and climate, about the culture, about anything. You have to get some information, some useful information. Okay. And nowadays we see that people got tour guide, just close the eyes, pack the items, then really travel to from A to B, then couldn't understand anything because those people couldn't feel anything. Because a person, due to a person as a tour guide, did everything for them. But in the past, the people wanted to travel, try to do by a lot of things by own. It means researching, asking people, also reading something, even try to learn at least some phrases from local language and something like that. You see, that is different. That is really different in the past to now. Advantages and disadvantages, we want to say. Okay, good. So it means we need some questions about something we are going to do research, investigation, like the travel, like that you're going to the trip, asking the people as an investigation, then discover some items for yourself. Without any questions, investigation, and discover something, their research journey can be really, I don't know, really, can be really pointless. So curiosity is a key of everything. Yeah, about transition to smart. As you remember last class, I told you something about smart, and now today going to recap it because they are very, very crucial and very important to know that about the framework of it. You see, for everything you are going to do, please make some questions about that. Why, how, something like this I told you with the WH. Okay, yep, you remember about that one, meet smart. It means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Yeah, one by one, we are going to see again. Yeah, S from specific. It means the something we are going to say, the something is specific. You see the numbers, you see the number of cells, about the materials, and about the quality and what we are looking for. You see, they are really specific, not like walking into a park. Yeah, they are very specific. Another part is measurable, really important. Something we are going to do should be measurable. Really about the trust reverse designs support a greater load to weigh rate. You see, they are very important ratio, sorry, weigh ratio, yeah. You see, they are really important that some items we are going to speak should be measurable. For example, the size of the ozone layer hole, yeah, not measurable. It's very tough to want to do that. And preparing the materials, even the measurable, no, it's not measurable. You see, by that one, also we are going to go for the shoes, walking on the water. Okay, good. It's not really something like feasible. So it can be very funny for the comedy films. It could be very good, or for comic. Okay, good. Then another one is something. achievable. Really, we are talking about something achievable. You say about something like that. For example, once we are going to do some testing, 2 meter by 2 meters, sometimes really feasible. We can do that. But sometimes if it was a 2 kilometer by 2 kilometer, no. So we should think about this one can be achievable, really can be possible to do that. Yeah, that's very important to be relevant. Here I gave you a chain, two chains. It means they are very important. They will be relevant. We are going to work on it. There's something we are going to study, like the polymer choice in 3D printing for the some really we have it for prosthetic, the finger. That's very important, and we are going to talk about it. Yeah, really the polymer. What type of polymer we are going to use in 3D printing. Excuse me, before I go to the next slide, smart. Let me go for T, then I ask you something. Okay, good. Yeah, this is T for time bound. Yeah, it's not we don't have time in whole our life to do the research. We have some limitation. We have some boundary to do that. I told you in everything and in every session you have, you are a project manager. Do not think when you are going to do a research at university or do some homework or do some assignment, you can be a project manager and can be very good for you to test yourself as a project manager too. And next one, okay, apply smart together. Okay, good. Before we go to that page, I want to ask you, how many of you have you seen 3D printer?
I saw them.
Uh-huh. What's your opinion about it?
It's print something we met in the SAT or fusion, and like
Mm,
all side, like we can use and touch it. Even
very
it
good.
prints, even it prints aluminum and carbon, I think.
Oh, very good, very good, very good, very good. I will back you. Another? Mm, oh, very nice. You use French word, just model. Yeah, this is use French word. Very good model. Yeah, for model. Yeah. Okay. Good. Anything else? Anyone else? The boy, the boy, the boys, the boy.
I have not seen it in real life, but in YouTube by videos.
Very good on YouTube. Okay. Good. Yeah. For the girls, I have a question about the problem of 3D printer. Can you tell me?
It isn't print metal
Uh huh.
and take a lot of time to print.
Oh yeah. Yeah, need some back. Yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly. Special the corners. Yeah, we need some back to do that. Yeah, you're right. Okay, what is more? Okay, what more? What more? What more?
Sometimes, yes, as he said, you need to make it again and again because it's
Mm,
damaged.
okay, go to the YouTube man. YouTube man, about on YouTube about the disadvantages of or the problem or the some drawbacks of 3D printer. Have you heard anything to share with us? Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, and I need to excuse me, really, the boy. Excuse me, interrupt you, because I know after you, a boy should answer. I want to tell you something about that one. Why they emphasize to put the 3D print into the office? It's very easy. You can put it into the air, open air, then enjoy it. And also another things I found it can be a really luxury item, and you put it really like the antique or something like that without any good ventilation. Yeah, it is my problem too. Yep. Yeah, very good. Okay, a man observed it via the YouTube. Can you tell us what did you hear about that?
According to my experience, I actually
No, no, excuse me,
uh,
not your experience, your YouTube observations.
ah yeah, sorry. According to my observation,
On YouTube,
uh,
you are YouTube man.
all right. Yeah, I saw that it took a lot of time, or
Hmm.
maybe even 3 days, or the weeks maybe, to just make kind of the shoes. And actually, I mean, my experience was like that. The one YouTuber actually created one kind of shoe, and uh, wore it and experience with different weather conditions to measure its quality and uh, how many days that
Yeah,
shoes maybe were worn. It was not like we have in our daily life. I mean, the quality is not what really good.
yeah. You remember about 5 years ago, an advertisement or something like that showed that, yeah, we are going to produce everything by the 3D printer or something like that. But technically, if we check the smart, we can find it. Oh, it's not really well. You see, at least the T as a smart here, we are mentioning it. Yeah, you see, it doesn't work. You see, the time factor, the time bound, the timing doesn't work. So it means, okay, we can keep it, but we can't count on it. Okay, now here as a critic, we have this item. How does wing shape affect flight? Okay. Yeah, how does wing shape affect flight? Nice. Okay. Now, how you can make it much professional? This question. This is a question of a child. Now, we are going to modify it according to the smart elements to the really the university level. How we can develop this question?
So the first of all, we need to be specific, right?
The first one, no, not specific. We are going to make it specific.
Yeah, we can add
Hmm.
like what's Wing,
Mm,
plane or what?
yeah, it's very good. Better, much better. The girls with 3D printer. Mm, yeah, yeah, yeah. Really much better, much better. Very good, very good. Another 3D printing girl.
Sorry, I don't have idea, and I'm a little bit busy. Sorry for that.
No, okay, no problem at all. Thank you very much. You're here. Okay, now we are going to this one. Then we will see. Wow, you see, try to smartify. Sorry, smartified version. I coined the word smartified version. Sorry. Yeah, hopefully, really, the language Shakespeare didn't wake up me today. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you see, refined. We wanna refine it. We gotta modify it. But you see, over 1 week. You see, first item mentioned about the time factor. How does wing effect, ratio effect, glide distance of paper airplanes? You see, here we are going to make it about the materials or about something for like this. We are going to make it like this. It is one sample. It is one sample only. Really, I love this one. Really smartified. Okay, now going to next one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here about the smart. I think we already discussed about that part. Very good about the 3D print. Already you get me very good feedback. Thank you. Now about the something final step and really celebration. We get something good. You see, for the specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Really, the time is really crucial. We are going to speak. Okay, now the term of the question and answer. And let me now we are going to speak about. Okay, now we are going to speak about something you achieve it while reading some papers and studying the papers in the previous session. Yeah, okay. I told you not more than 3 minutes. I'm really eagerly want to hear you.
So, should we show the presentation slides?
Did you prepare anything?
Yeah, actually,
Really?
it's
Wow,
4 or
wow,
5
wow, 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 wow. Thank you, thank
it's
you. Wow, 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 wow. Thank you,
it's
YouTube man.
it's not really complex, but yeah.
Come on, just you have only maximum 3 minutes, okay? Yep. Abdulrahar, thank you so much. Yep, yep. Everything with you.
Yeah. Just a minute, I'll try to share my screen.
Yeah, thank you. The 3D printing girls. Yeah, wow. You will see a boy on YouTube. Okay. Really. No problem no problem at all. No problem at all. Nice, nice. But you very good, very good.
Can you see or not?
Yeah, Abdullah, no, it's black. To me, it's black.
All right, all right.
I
Just a
don't know
minute.
what. Also, I had same You know, I had same problem.
I don't know why.
You should share your screen. Do not go through the slide mode. I did something like this.
Mm,
You got it?
yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's
You see, it's not really. This is the only way we can manage it. Okay, thank you. Oh, nice.
is it showable?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, visible. Very good quality.
Uh,
Really nice topic.
yeah, yeah. I
Mm,
actually read about how to apply the AI for stock market, stock trading,
mm,
and all right. So in the paper it said that the problem with stock trading is traditional trading suffers from human emotional bias. Like lots of the people actually may actually what make decisions by just what trusting their feelings because we are human beings, and somehow we may forget about relying on data when what making decision about really kind of even a serious financial decision. So that's why actually the paper tried to give solution by using AI,
mm,
and somehow and also it's not the only problem with humans, but existing automated systems are often rigid or monolithic black boxes that are hard to upgrade. Like most of the automated systems in this stock uh, trading is actually kind of it say that we don't really know. Like I guess you heard about black box. Like it's input and kind of the black box and output. We don't know what's going on in the black box, and that's why by using AI, we may actually get some transparent data what's going on in the inside of black boxes. So that actually gives solution to this two problem. And all right, so just a minute. And the gap is lack of transparent and modular architecture in public literature, and most systems uh, are secret like that. And so and the inspiration came from markets are driven by narratives, not just numbers, because it's not only what just the numbers affect the financial decisions, but even maybe social media. So inspiration actually came from there, and the broad question is how can we enrich the strict mathematical model of the current system of integrating qualitative and human-centric data? And what? Actually, the question is how we can implement this idea into real application. Like, so just the using AI with real news data, like what Leaf API kind of maybe we can connect the, what the websites which
mm.
uh, share the news every day and their API actually, and by doing
Yeah,
so we may kind of be able to have the, the really good trained AI model that makes better decisions maybe by humans who mostly rely on the feelings rather than just even the things which are going on there around. So, the architecture is like
Fabulous.
that, like, uh, yeah, that's called Gilbert approach, like sentiment analysis model, and the input source. Yeah, so it's like the box uh, in the middle of the box, and input is financial news APIs like
Hmm.
Bloomberg or even social media like Instagram. I don't know, and the process which we call in the black box is like we may use NLP, natural language processing, to generate a score from -1 to +1, and that's maybe I don't I'm kind of aware, not but not uh, deeply, but it's kind of maybe um evaluation models in which we face in statistics and probabilities, and the output would be the score. The score is fused with technical indicators in the feature extraction, the component before ML training. Like the main idea here was like that, and also in the paper it says the this application use a backtesting methodology. The backtesting is like we don't really immediately apply what we have, like the AI model, but we kind of create some kind of simulation, and we can test it before applying to real world. That's called actually backtesting, and here we actually need to what divide the methodology to groups. Like I mean, before applying to check whether it's good or bad, we need to divide our what a model into two group: control group and experimental group. Like we can check that like just using the standard price and volume data in the control group, but in the experimental group, we can actually add something like price plus sentiment. Sentiment is here like news and social media, and in the end, by just looking at what AI models profit in the simulation environment, we can just use or find out which is better to apply in real world.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Fabulous. Really, I love it. Really, I love it.
I'm sorry
It's
if I can't really what
it's really good. Really good. Really good.
understand
You
the some
see,
technical.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me. Okay, okay, okay. When is it? Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Nice. Very good. Very good. Really well. And I have one paper. Let me share it. I will share it to Telegram. Might be. I'm not sure really because I use AI and also the machine learning for the textile, and I want to do that. Really, you please study and because might be one day going to develop it to the fashion. Really it can be very funny. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. You see, I will share it to the group as well, to the Telegram group. Might be now you're on phone or something like this. You don't have time. Okay, now next, please. I love your presentation. Just please 2 or 3 minutes speak, please. No problem at all. Go ahead. There's something that you like it. You say, yeah, Abdul Qahar, really, he loves the AI or machine learning, something like that. Yeah, you love another item. That's okay. That's very good. We can have a diversity of items, diversity of knowledge. I love it. Go ahead, please. Mm. Come on, it's quite well. It's quite well and amazing, amazing, really. I remember that bridge. I think in San Francisco. I'm not sure. I'm not sure really. Yeah,
Golden Bridge.
yeah, yeah. It's very good, very good, very amazing, really amazing. Yeah, this sort of bridge they call it floating bridge or pontoon bridge. Yeah, yeah. Maybe your name is Bakhtiar, yeah? Bakh- Nani, yeah, definitely. I know. Now you are using your brother's account. Oh, okay, nice. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, nice. Nani, it call it really for pontoon or floating bridge. Yeah, it's really, really very good, very good, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Rabia, how about you? She's
Um, Unfortunately, I didn't read article, but I can say something instead of this.
no problem
And
at all.
um,
The word
let
is yours. This is the microphone and camera, everything for you. I'm not here. Okay, enjoy.
thank you. Uh, recently, I read about FTC robot. It is source and which is brought to me by my boss, and we built FTC robot uh, for take part to the competition. It's like it is gather the balls and push and through to the net. It the there is a exact size, and uh, I recently started this source, so that's why it's started with some kind of laws of the competition. Because if we I think if we know about the how I say if we know about the laws of the competition, and build uh, we can build better robots for it. And yeah, right now I'm beginner, so that's why they said you have to learn it.
Nice, nice. Yeah, about this, if you want to use smart, yeah, about that one, can you use it?
What can you repeat,
Yeah,
please?
yeah, definitely. If you want to use the smart method about that item, can you apply it?
Some kind of picture or something, yeah.
Yeah, smart, it means something like specific. For today, we discussed about that items. You see, let me again, I send it to the group, to that one,
Oh,
then that one. Yeah. If we are going to implement it, can you use it? For example, that part, like specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bounding. Yeah, can you go for that items and explain the topic you explain us? It means specifically mention that to what item, and this is the measurable, or the size can be from that one to another one. It is achievable, something like that. Can you explain us?
Um, I think I can or not. As I said, I'm beginner, and our how I say uh,
What was
I
very
think
good, very good, pretty good.
we are only team in Uzbekistan for participating this kind of competition, and they want to uh, how I say mm,
No, no, no. She can speak English fluently, very well, very well. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're the only team in Uzbekistan. Very good. Rabia, please continue.
last time they are took first how I say, oh my gosh, I forgot this word.
You
Yeah,
had gold medalist.
not gold, but uh, first place they
Gold.
took,
This is
and
gold. This is gold. This is gold. Okay,
not
good. Very
first,
good.
not first, first, for. So that's why they want to
Oh,
win,
fourth. Yeah,
and
very
yeah,
good.
first.
At least to semifinal. At least semifinalist. Nice. Very good.
Yes, last time also it was first time for them, and they want to gather the team member and want to win next time. And honestly, I have knowledge about programming, but I want to start engineering, so that's why I'm beginner in this team. So I have to learn more about the FTC robots and read about them. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. For next time and for yourself, you can go for that item for the smart. Put the smart into the something, everything you are going to do. For example, about cooking might be the specific what type of cooking you are going to do that, or is it measurable, the size of it. For example, something easy as much as possible. Then go to that one. By that step, you can make everything for yourself easy to understand and easy to describe as well. Okay, the beautiful people.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much. Now, if you have any question, let me know, and I will share the slides to the group as soon as possible. Yep, and then hopefully can see you on Sunday. Yeah. If you provide the video, please share it to the Telegram group. I expect one of you, if you can, upload it to the YouTube, then accessible to everyone, maybe in whole around the world, to enjoy our group and enjoy our activity. Because the people in the world now, they are busy with something might be pointless. They are thinking about something in the past happened to them. Hopefully, we enjoy our life as much as we have today, and we should be thankful whatever we have and whatever we don't have. Then, if you have any question, I'm here to answer you.
Thanks for the lesson. Have a good day or night.
Yeah, no, it is tomorrow. No, here is a 10th of December.
Okay, thanks for all.
Okay, please. Danny. Yeah, definitely I will prepare the difficult one to you. The most difficult one, Nanny, if you have ever heard it. Yep, it was about my paper, my recent paper. I recently published it. I will send the link. Also, the link here is here also in the chat box in there. I don't know. They call it chat box. What do you call it? Something we pin that we take some there here. I don't know. Okay. Also, I will send it to the group. Then I ask you to say it just only and only analyze it and say it about something specific, the measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. We go for it, and then something like this. Do not think everything you will see is complete, is perfect. It was the maximum effort of the people. So it means it's not perfect. It means the maximum effort of people. Please. Okay, any more question? Man of YouTube?
Thank you, Professor, for the lesson. I
Thank
don't
you.
have a question. Everything's clear.
No problem. Then definitely I will post my question to that one. Nanny, any question? Okay, thank you. Yeah, yeah, really, please convey my regards to your handsome dad and his beautiful name. Hopefully, always really wish and luck with him and with all of you. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, you too. Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you. See you soon on Sunday. Thank you. See you.